Hey Travis, my name is Donald Cunningham, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring more customers to your business. Now you're probably wondering, why am I doing this and what's in it for me? Well, the answer is simple. Um, Most business owners are too busy running their business to take the time to analyze and learn all the things, the ways that the internet can help them impact their business. So now what I have found is that if I give people a free educational information of things they can do to impact their business online, many times those business owners will ask for my help. So if you'd like the things that I've showed you today, give me a call and we can talk about it. Or if you want to take what I've showed you and do this on your own, it works for me too. Now, the first thing I wanted to go over is the content. Now, when Google crawls the internet, it reads words, and studies have found that the word count on the websites that rise to the top have between 1,500 and 2,400 words on their homepage, and also they have the right keywords. So right now you have 1,200 words on your homepage, not bad. Okay, now this is your competitor, and we'll see they have the word count they have is um, 1315, just a little more than you, but still less than 1,500. Now let's talk about keywords. Okay, now this is an analytical tool that I use called Ahrefs, and what Ahrefs does, it gives me a background details, the details that Google looks at when it ranks a website. So I ran your site, your competitor site, through Ahrefs, and it's showing me they have 1,225 keywords. Okay, when I click on the keywords, it shows me the actual keywords that they're being found for in searches. Now, in the first top two is their company name, so that means that their company name is being searched for. But if you come down here, you have the slab leak. You have the slab leak repair keywords. Okay, now you're being found for 2028 keywords. So these are the keywords that you're being found for. And again, the top two, you have your company name in the top two searches. That means that they were searching for your name. But then you come down at below that and you have plumbing McKinney leak detection, McKinney plumbing company. So the first thing you need to do is you need to add 1,500 words to your home page. And then in addition to that, you want to include in your content the keywords that your competitor is being found for. Okay, now the next thing I wanted to go over is citations. And you'll see here, if I do a search on Plumbers, McKinney, Texas, then this is what comes up. We have our organic listing over here, and then we have our map. We have our map section over on this side. Now on over here, when you see sponsored like this at the top, that means that Google is being paid to have this listing show up at the top. It's not done by ranking. Okay, over in the maps here, with the site, where the citation is your business name, address, and phone number, and it will be shown over here in the map section. So how do you show up in the map section? You show up in the map section by having your name, address, and phone number, or your NAP listed in online directories. Directories such as Yellow Pages, BBB, Facebook, Yelp, and a couple hundred other directories. So how do you get listed in the directories? Well, we use a site called Bright Local that will tell us exactly what directories your competitor is listed on, and then we can go down their list and match what's there on, and then add them to you as well. We don't want to stop there. We can add more citations and more directories so that you would be still have many more than your competitor. Okay, now let's talk about the third thing I wanted to talk to you about, and that is backlinks. Now, a backlink is when one website links back to another website online. And the more backlinks that you have linking back to your site, that's what gives your site more authority. And you also want to make sure that the sites linking back to your site are relevant sites that will give you more authority in Google's eyes. When I say relevant, I mean, for instance, you are a plumbing company, and if you get a backlink from Pizza Hut, not so good. So you want more relevant websites linking back to you. Okay, back to your site in Ahrefs again. Now it's showing here that you have 131 backlinks linking back to your website. Not bad. Okay, now when I look at your competitor in Ahrefs, it shows that they have 151 backlinks linking back to their site. A few more than yours, but it's still beatable. Now, if I come down here, it shows me all the sites that are linking back to their site. So what we can do here is we can get these same backlinks linking back to your site. But in addition to that, then we can get even more that will give you, if you have more than they do, then that gives you more authority in Google's eyes. So getting to the top is not magic, it's just a method, and I've shown you that method today. And so once again, we went over content. You want to have at least a minimum of 1,500 words of content on your home page with the right keywords. And citations, you want to have 200 to 300 of these to beat out your competition. And link juice, you want more relevant sites pointing to you guys. So Google, you are the authority. Okay, so what now? Well, as I said earlier, you can take the tips and things that I've given you and do this on your own. Or if you want a faster route and more effective route, you can give me a call at 714-473-0269. Again, my name is Don, and my number is 714-473-0269. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great day.